like! Quick click!
Let's make some toys to play with for Halloween. Join Lime and hit the like button to learn how to make them. Let's go! Prepare one sheet of A4 paper. I folded it in half. Unfold the paper and cut along the folded section with scissors. Fold the cut paper in half again. Spread out the paper and apply glue to one side. Now fold the paper and stick it down, then fold it in half again. Fold the thin elongated paper in half, then unfold it. Fold down both sides along the dotted line to form a triangle shape. Flip it over and fold the folded part in the opposite direction again. Now unfold the paper, hold both sides, and shape it by pulling downward. Please cut off half of the triangular shaped part with scissors. Please insert the small triangular shape into the folded paper. Hold both ends and shake them alternately. I made a racetrack like this. Let me decorate the paper frame I made. I'll apply the base color. I'll create a dark image to match this special Halloween. Write with a white acrylic pen. I'll draw lines with a black pen to make a big spider web. By connecting the curves with lines in between, you can easily complete the spider web. I'll draw spiders on the empty webs too. Oh! I'm going to draw Wednesday Addams. I'll start by sketching the shape with a pencil first. Draw the character with a black pen along the sketch lines. Go off! I'm drawing Wednesday with her long braided hair and black dress. Draw your friends' favorite characters and have fun playing games together. If you've played games with friends, please share your experience in the comments. It's so pretty! Please clean up the pencil lines neatly. I'll color Wednesday Addams. I dye my hair a warm gray color. Hurry up! I'll paint the long dress and work boots dark gray. Oh, that's cool! Now stick Wednesday onto the small triangle. The white color of the paper is really eye-catching. I'll paint it dark gray. Insert the wing section between the open paper flaps to complete installation. I prepared two versions. It's Wednesday versus Thing. What will the outcome be? Wow! Thing's speed is crazy fast! How about it? Wouldn't it be fun to make one for Halloween? I'll be back with more fun videos.